Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
This
This is really nice. This is like a whole home.
I'm telling you.
I love. Look at the apple.
Wow. Jackie. Now this is your kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Guys, this is our room tour. Jackie is going to tell us,
The material tips.
Exactly.
Now, one, I love this room. It's boho. It's Afrocentric. It's
Boho
so
what?
me boho style.
Meaning what?
Boho like Afrocentric, Moroccanish. Those mixed things, but it's still
Colors,
Afro. Yeah, the colors, because they're really natural colors.
Okay.
You have a lot of woods in here.
Okay.
But also I love the art on the wall. It brings in a bit of contemporary, but then the colors are still natural earth tones.
Okay.
So that makes it boho. And
What do you think
Afrocentric,
about
curtains,
the
yes.
walls?
The walls are beautiful. It's an all-white room. You know why you thought the room looks really big when you walked in? You're like, wow, it's huge, because the rooms are white.
Okay.
A white room, any small room, you make it white,
Okay.
it looks white. The other thing that I love about it is it's a very balanced room. Like, look, I love this. So you have to be creative with your floors, and we have a mat. This is creative. This is awesome.
All right.
We have a reading table. Oh, we have a Bible. I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on how to pray for your partner. I'm serious. I am serious. I'll tell you. So yeah, they really prepare the room well.
I'll use some mortar here.
But I love this. See where the umbrella sits? It's in a bamboo shoot. And that is really cute. Now these are the little things that make a room look really cute and cool. But now there's something that I want to show you. I'm going to show our director of photography, Bullet. You see that? You see the lighting, the detail. The light is really cute. But I'll also show you the light when you walk in. It's like a lantern. The light outside. But let me first show you that. And then there's another piece. Let me just, I don't know if it will affect you. The light is here. See that? Now that's a bulb. It looks like a lantern. This guy's paid attention to detail. It's not overly done, and that's what makes it really classy and cute. So it's like a lantern, but it's a bulb.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us more. Tell us
So
more.
yeah, I know you.
And the floor?
Yeah, the floor
What do
is
you think
really
of the
cute.
floor?
The floor is just stone, because this is an eco place. It is like a safari getaway. You cannot have tile. So it's cute, and that's what makes it different.
Okay.
Even if I wasn't a Ugandan, I'd come here and feel like, oh, this is like really a way. And then there's more details that make this place really, really stand out. Of course, look at where our luggage sits.
Okay.
Our luggage is a place for our luggage. This is where it was placed. I love the mirror. I love this. Ta-da! We have a closet, but this one is made of emuli. It's made of reeds. And then you shell it. You could do this as a DIY project for yourself, by the way.
Do it yourself.
Yeah, it's a DIY closet. I love.
Look at our
really
bed.
different. But before I show you the bed, because that's like the best part of this room, I want to show you something. When you're putting up your wall pieces, there are numbers. You work with numbers 2 or 3. So you have a pair of these art pieces. That's what brings in a bit of contemporary, because you can have a lot of everything. You can't have everything totally African. So they did this with the curtains. You see the curtains are just an earth tone, but they're neutral brown and they're urban, contemporary. And then you have these urban pieces, and it's a pair. And then to bring the number 3, they brought a drum. So 1, 2, 3. That is how you should always hang your
So
pieces.
you're trying to tell me that nothing here is by
Nothing is by mistake. The room was really designed to the dot. You can tell that they calculated, they did the math, and they created a triangle. That's the other thing.
Shout
Your art
out
must
to
create
the
a
interior
triangle.
deco.
Yeah, so you do 1, 2, 3. So you can create a triangle from here like this and like this. So whenever you put up your art pieces, there must be a triangle form. Number 3 or a pair, that is 2. And this is the best part of this room.
Did you see this?
What is it? Oh yes. How could we miss this? This is like a clock, I think. This is really beautiful. African art is really cute, unique, and classy. This is to die for. But this is it. It's a Valentine's weekend, so.
Yeah, hey, hey.
Hey, what's that? That sounds that. So this is where we'll be spending our nights. But I love not just
The
bed.
feel? How is the feel?
The feel? No, you can't come. This is really cute. Remember what I told you? You cannot have too much of one style with home decor. Now we have this. This feels really good. This bedside rug, but also when you see the bed, it's real African wood. This is to die for. This, the bedside table. It's just what do they call this? A log. It's a log. It's a log. There's a name for it, but whatever it is, it's just a piece of wood that's just so cute. Of course, I love the bedside tables. They blend so well with our.
Look where the switch is.
The switch. I know. The director of photography needs to see this.
Okay.
Turn on the lights.
Ah.
See that?
Okay.
Turn on the lights, but they're just infused inside this log, this piece of wood.
Yeah, they took some time on that, yeah?
It took some time, but I love that this you can even do in your home. You don't have to like spend so much. Those things are expensive. Nice bedside tables. Just get this, and then it looks so cute. And the canopy, it's also really African because look at the woods. Oh, so this is where we're gonna. But also I love the idea. This is not your average mosquito net. These are curtain shears. You realize? Sheer curtains. What curtain is of timber, Mugan? Curtains of timber, and they are white. This is what an all white does. It adds class to this room. It makes it feel so cute. I love the long pillow on the bed. And I told you the math. It's you do that things in pairs. So you have 1, 2. That's 2 pairs. And because it's decor, you do the 5th, 3 pieces or 5, and that's enough. If they're done more, it would be too much. So everything is detailed and on point. I'm excited that I will be sleeping in this bed tonight, and I'll not be sleeping in this bed alone. We'll just be sleeping in this bed.
Yeah, sharing ideas.
Exactly. What are we gonna do in this bed? We're gonna read books.
Valentine's.
Yeah.
The weekend.
Yes.
You see, like they say, find something, especially during the weekend, find something that your future will remember you for. Yeah? Yes,
and it will remember us. We always just come out here to sit in these beds and read books. Oh, you're so cute. So we'll be reading. That's what we're going to be doing. But
so
yeah, this
us,
is a bit about a room tour. Oh my God, and then the bathroom. Wow. Okay. First of all, I love that it's a white bathroom. What else do I love? I love that it's a white bathroom. I love the white tile. Very detailed, but it's white. I told you something about small white rooms. They look cute, but also something about white spaces. They look really classy. I love that they chose a white shower curtain. It's cute, and yeah, the rugs are equally white. But this is to die for. First of all, you see the lights. It's cute. It's a really cute light, but also I like that it's a warm light. So apart from the fact that the bulb holder has a cute look. Also in there, the bulb is warm. That yellow light. It's a warm light. It's cute. And it's also standing on a piece of wood. Basically, it's all the things I told you that I loved from the time I moved into the room and every space we go to. You see the style. It's Afrocentric, but with a touch of contemporary, which you see with the tile, but also we come back to the wooden mirror. And this is cute. Look at this. I love. African decor, very classy. Never goes out of style. You have a soft dish right there, and you have a tray. Every room needs a tray. Bathroom, toilet, kitchen, outdoor, entry, table, everything. The tray is a catch-all, but it's a wooden tray. It's cute. It has a piece of decor. These guys know how to show off. So cute. I love everything is white little details, hand towels, white. And then you have your proper towels, they're also white. This bathroom is cute. It is everything awesome. Look, yeah, but that's what I love. I love this. I think the sink was a pedestal that they covered with a piece of wood, so makes it really cute. Can pass as a powder room as well. It's all these things awesome. There's even a touch of stone here. The detail in the bathroom. This bathroom is really huge. There's hooks for your towels. Oh, okay. I haven't seen this. I've seen the stone. That's beautiful. There's wood, detail, and detail. And it's huge. This is like, this entire room is just a heart. And you're able to partition it. If you see from up there, you can tell you're working with your heart. But it's really done really beautifully. This is how our Valentine's weekend is gonna be like. Friday, we were out partying. Saturday morning, we came around just to give you this room tour, and we'll be sleeping over here, and we'll be sharing in here tonight and in the morning, and as many times as we choose to use the bathroom.
So
but yeah,
for
this
us,
is a bit about a room tour.
Sorry. For us, we chose travel. So in our spare time after the 9 to 5, we travel a lot, and that's why we started this show, Where to Stay in Uganda. We shall be taking you to many such places. Yeah, Mr. Director.
You get it.
Yeah, so this is our second episode.
This is our second episode, but it's really cute, and you did learn a lot about home decor in just one space. This could be somebody's whole home, your whole home. It's
You've
awesome.
blown
It's
me away
beautiful.
with your knowledge on decor one of these days.
You see, a wife is not supposed to be predictable. 10 years and you still are surprised.
I was also learning.
You did?
Yeah, I was also learning, a few things. So, yeah, thanks. That was a nice one, yeah? So, that
Shout
was
outs.
our room tour.
Oh, we need to say hi to our director of photography
Of
and the entire
course, but
production,
of course, but
Bullet.
of course.
Bullet is a new member of this team, but my oh my, I
He
love his
understands his
I love his
craft, yeah?
professionalism.
He
been very
understands his
serious.
craft, yeah. And that, too much attention to detail,
Yes,
man.
you don't get that every day.
I'm so used to my things over
Where they just say shoot next, move.
and it's done, yeah.
How do you feel today?
Cheers to you, Bullet. We appreciate. And so, from here,
next?
from this room tour, we are going to take you around the resort, but I think we shall first do some food. What do you think?
We're gonna do lunch. We'll also give you a review of the meals. What do we call that lunch session?
We're going to meet the chef.
Oh, we have a session with the chef.
Yeah. He's going to share us a few of his skills, yeah. We love cooking as well, yeah.
Yeah, we do.
We basically love food. You love cooking,
And
but
you're
I
a
love
foodie.
food. Yeah, so
Yeah.
there can't be anything with Enoch and Jackie without
The food
Yeah,
and
so,
sleep.
yeah. So the next session will be the food.
In the next.
Yeah, so
So
cheers
follow the
for
next
now.
episode.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Bye for now, yeah.
Yes.
Every time I look at you, I fall in love. I've been